And a good Thursday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. Big change coming in the way it's going to feel outside. The humidity ticking up Friday into Saturday. Dew point temperature is going to be running well into the 60s. So a real sticky, sort of muggy feel here as we end the week and start the weekend. That humidity is coming in on the backside of high pressure with a south-southeasterly wind. And really what we're watching is the remnants of what was a tropical system, Alberto, now spinning up through the Great Lakes. And a lot of this moisture has been focusing to the north. Frontal boundary is now absorbing that, and as it presses in our direction, it's going to bring not only in that higher humidity, but an increased threat for some showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Rainfall isn't going to be widespread and really take up the entire day tomorrow, but during the day tomorrow night, and even on into Saturday morning, there is the risk for showers and an isolated thunderstorm, and that could produce about 1/4 of an inch of rain in many areas as we go through time over the next couple of days. Today, though, will be dry. Clouds will increase a little bit this afternoon, but you can see the temperatures spend most of the day in the 70s in Boston. We'll get really close to 80 in the city. Just outside Metro West, up into the Merrimack Valley, some low, even mid-80s today. And that south-southeasterly wind will keep us a little cooler on the Cape, where we're starting off with a lot of fog. It will burn off to sunshine, and temperatures hold in the 60s today. You can see most of us keep some sunshine around into late afternoon, early evening. But Worcester on westward, clouds and maybe a spot shower on into the evening hours. Overnight, some of those do drift toward the coastline, so there is the risk for a shower tonight. Watch for some areas of fog, and it's going to be a mild night. Temperatures holding mostly in the 60s overnight. So even with a lot of clouds tomorrow, as 60s as our starting point, we should come up to either side of 80 degrees pretty easily tomorrow with that south-southwesterly wind. It'll be warm, it'll be muggy, and yes, a few showers around. Can't rule out that threat of a thunderstorm, and with so much moisture in the air, any shower or storm that gets going could put down some localized heavier rain in a short period of time. But you can see at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of us are dry, but yeah, there'll be a couple of showers around, and that's the case into the afternoon, right on into the evening hours as well. So if you have outdoor plans tomorrow, I wouldn't cancel them. Just be ready for a shower to kind of pop up and pass through at any time, and that'll be the case probably until about Saturday morning. Now, Saturday is going to start out very humid with that risk of a shower, and as the front drops southward, drier air will start to work on in. So we'll dry things out by Saturday afternoon. Into Sunday, dry weather hangs on, but that easterly wind is going to bring in much cooler temperatures as we get into Sunday. We're also going to watch this storm to the south because some of our computer models do start to lift this back north again on Monday. So we're dry but cool on Sunday. Still cool, but we may turn wet again Monday into Tuesday. We'll watch the track of that storm system, and behind it, temperatures still running a little below average through the middle of next week.